Hi. Yeah, so this is my neighborhood, and we're buried under like 1.5 feet of snow from the snowstorm. I'm just gonna do this real quick scope here because it's cold and everything. There's my neighbor trying to get her car out underneath the snow. Jesus. This is pretty nuts. Just had a snowstorm here last night. Everyone see okay and hear okay? Anyway, I think it's gonna be a short scope because oh, look at all the snow. This is freezing. But I just wanted to show you how much snow we got here on the East Coast. And this is after the snowstorm yesterday. At least we didn't lose power so far. This is pretty nuts. I can't see the comments very well if there are comments, so I'll try to get what I can see. Can everyone see and hear okay? Jesus. We do have plow service here. You can tell over there. But it's a very slow going process. So. Yep. So they're just trying to plow to help us out and everything. That's it's gonna be a while. This happened last year too, actually, and it took like 2 hours. But I think by the time that they were done with their part plowing, it was a lot easier to get our cars unburied into the snow. And all they can do is plow, and all we can do is shovel and put them in piles of snow on the sides. But it's gonna be freezing this weekend, like below freezing. Like below zero, I mean. That's not even including the windshield. So, this is probably the warmest day in the next 3 days to do this. Shit. Wow. This is just... just doing this for documentation's sake, I guess. What? I don't know what he's pointing at. He's pointing at me or not. Huh. I think this car has it easier, actually, because there's not as much around this car. There's more around the cars up front by that building there. And the postman is out, as usual. Wow, that's nuts. Can you see in here okay? Let me know in the comments if you can. Or tap the screen for hearts. It's pretty windy. Okay, that car got out. It's driving around. This is just... Well, at least that person's healthy. That's good. This is pretty freaking insane, I have to say. Wow. Yeah, it could be worse, obviously. But this is pretty bad. I think maybe she gave up. I think my neighbor gave up on her car for now. Jeez. So, yeah, I'm just showing you what's going on at my apartment complex here. We got hit with a snowstorm yesterday, and we're buried under 1.5 feet of snow, and that snow is being plowed and shoveled around. So we're gonna have tall piles of snow eventually, but it's a very slow going process. And this is probably the warmest day for the next 3-4 days, so we're trying to get some work done here. I kind of am not yet, because my car is really buried in snow. I tried a little bit, but wow. Hi, hey, how's it going? How are you? Wow, this is gonna take a while. This is gonna take hours. Just this parking lot. They're luckier they parked over there. Okay, so my neighbor's back out, looks like. She's back out. That's my neighbor over there by the dark car. I'm not even sure if it's dark blue or black. But anyway, yeah. That car's out. It's driving around. I won't be for quite some time. I'm getting pretty cold, so I'm probably gonna end the scope soon until I get warmer anyway. Hey, how's it going? It's warm where you are. This is crazy. This is crazy. Making some progress, actually. Wow. I'm too scared to keep going. I know, I have to get warmer.
Yeah, my hands were starting to get.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, wow. Okay, this is my car. Okay, I'm inside my own car now. See, my car's windshield is buried in snow. But I'm here to get a little warmer. Anyway. Oh, wow. This is me under my winter gear. Hang on a second. Okay, there we go. Whoa. Oh, hands. I'm wearing winter gloves, but it is just too cold to keep it warm for long periods of time. Wow. So, oh, I think I'm like try to get a little warm here. And then probably try to start digging out a little bit more to see how far I can get. But yeah, anyway. Alright, I think I'm gonna turn my car on to get some heat on, and let me show you the window. Oops. Come on. There you go. Buried. Buried. Just buried. Alright. I will, probably scope out and, be back later. Bye-bye.